Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 5151, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 5151? What's the symbolism of 5151? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 5151 mean for love? What does 5151 mean for twin flames? What does 5151 for manifestation? How does angel number 5151 affect finances? What does 5151 mean for former relationships? How does 5151 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 5151? What are the weaknesses of angel number 5151? What's the meaning of angel number 5151? Angel number 5151 signifies major life changes, personal transformation, and a fresh start. It's a powerful message that a new chapter is beginning, shaped by your thoughts and decisions. The number 5 brings energy of freedom, adaptability, and experience, while 1 adds ambition, leadership, and new beginnings. Seeing 5151 is a reminder that your angels support your journey toward growth and self-empowerment. Embrace the changes coming your way, as they are aligned with your soul's purpose. Trust that you have the inner strength to move forward with confidence, making choices that reflect your highest self. What's the symbolism of angel number 5151? Angel number 5151 symbolizes personal power, transformation, and conscious creation of your reality. The repeated 5s emphasize flexibility and adventure, while the 1s signal self-leadership and new beginnings. Together, they create a rhythm of change followed by opportunity. This number reflects the importance of making aligned decisions during transitions. It's also symbolic of balance, managing both the chaos of change and the clarity of new direction. Your angels are telling you that even during upheaval, you have the ability to steer your path with purpose and positivity. Symbolically, 5151 is a gateway number that invites breakthrough and self-realization. What is the angel number 5151 spiritual significance? Spiritually, 5151 is a call to step into your divine power and trust the flow of change. It signals a spiritual awakening or elevation, where outdated beliefs are shed to make way for higher consciousness. The number 5 prompts exploration and evolution, while 1 invites connection to your inner divine source. Together, they ask you to embrace your spiritual path with courage and independence. This number encourages you to align your external changes with internal growth. It's a reminder that your spiritual guides are helping you navigate this transition, empowering you to become more authentic, intuitive, and spiritually grounded. What does the angel number 5151 mean for love? In love, 5151 signals dynamic changes and the need for authenticity. If you're in a relationship, it may suggest a phase of growth or reevaluation, pushing both partners to communicate more honestly and evolve together. If you're single, it indicates a period of personal development that will attract a partner aligned with your higher self. The number encourages you to let go of emotional patterns that no longer serve you. Love guided by 5151 is adventurous, emotionally liberating, and rooted in personal truth. Your angels want you to prioritize freedom and mutual respect in romantic relationship. What does angel number 5151 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, 5151 suggests that a significant shift is taking place in the connection, often leading to a reunion, separation for growth, or spiritual realignment. This number reflects the need for both twins to evolve individually before they can harmonize. The presence of 5 highlights freedom and change, while 1 signifies initiation and new beginnings. It often appears when old cycles are breaking and new ones are forming, preparing twin flames for deeper union. If you're seeing 5151 often, your angels are encouraging patience, growth, and trust in divine timing as you move toward greater soul alignment with your counterpart. What does angel number 5151 for manifestation? Angel number 5151 is a powerful signal that you are in a potent phase of manifestation. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are shaping your reality more rapidly than ever. The double ones emphasize intention setting, and this number advises you to focus on positive, aligned desires and to release limiting thoughts. Manifestation under 5151 is about reclaiming your power to co-create with the universe. Stay grounded, visualize your goals, and take decisive action. Your angels are affirming that the changes ahead are meant to bring your manifestations to life. How does angel number 5151 affect finances? In finances, angel number 5151 indicates a period of financial change and the opportunity to build a more stable and abundant future. The presence of May 5th point to a shift, new income sources, career paths, or financial strategies, while one supports self-reliance and leadership. Your angels encourage you to take calculated risks and make empowered money decisions that reflect long-term goals. It's also a reminder to leave behind scarcity thinking and adopt an abundance mindset. Trust your intuition and embrace financial opportunities with confidence. With conscious planning and a proactive attitude, 5151 can usher in prosperity and financial independence. What does angel number 5151 mean for former relationships? Angel number 5151 brings clarity and closure regarding former relationship. It urges you to reflect on past dynamics, take responsibility for your healing, and release emotional attachments that prevent growth. This number doesn't necessarily mean reconnecting, but rather learning from past experiences to improve future connections. The repeated fives signal change and emotional liberation, while the ones call for self-discovery and new beginnings. Your angels want you to embrace freedom from past pain, reclaim your power, and step into the next chapter with a stronger heart. It's time to forgive, learn, and move forward with wisdom and renewed self-worth. How does angel number 5151 guide your work life? In your work life, 5151 encourages bold steps, career shifts, or the pursuit of new ventures aligned with your passions. It suggests that change is not only inevitable but beneficial. The energy of 5 supports adaptability and taking risks, while 1 drives leadership and innovation. You might be guided to leave a stagnant role, start a business, or embrace a more fulfilling professional path. This number also indicates that your thoughts are shaping your work reality, so stay positive and purposeful. Your angels support growth. Trust your instincts and be open to dynamic opportunities for success. What are the strengths of angel number 5151? The strengths of angel number 5151 include adaptability, visionary thinking, courage, and personal empowerment. Those influenced by this number are often fearless in the face of change and driven to pursue new beginnings. They value freedom, think independently, and are quick to learn from life experiences. Their willingness to grow through uncertainty makes them natural leaders and changemakers. Spiritually, they're open to evolving and often seek higher meaning in everyday life. This number empowers individuals to embrace personal transformation with clarity and confidence. It represents inner strength and the ability to rewrite one's life story through conscious, aligned action. What are the weaknesses of angel number 5151? The weaknesses associated with 5151 can include restlessness, impulsiveness, and difficulty with consistency. Because the number 5 encourages constant change and exploration, those influenced by this energy may struggle to stay grounded or see things through to completion. The 1 energy, while confident, can sometimes come off as self-centered or overly independent. Together, 5151 can lead to instability if not balanced by structure and intention. There's a tendency to act too quickly or chase novelty without a clear plan. Your angels encourage you to embrace change with wisdom and discipline, ensuring your transformations lead to lasting